Hello everyone. Today, I am going to share my personal journey of how I lost 10 pounds in just 30 days without giving up my favorite food, pizza. Yes, you heard that right. I still enjoyed delicious, cheesy pizza while shedding those extra pounds. Stick around to find out how I made it happen and how you can too. Let us start with the biggest misconception about weight loss. Many people believe you have to give up your favorite foods to see results. But that is not true. It is all about balance, moderation, and making smarter choices. You do not have to completely sacrifice the foods you love. Here is how I approached it. The first thing I did was focus on portion control. Instead of eating half a pizza in one sitting, I limited myself to 2 or 3 slices. I paired my pizza with a big, fresh salad or some roasted vegetables. This helped me stay full and satisfied without overloading on calories. Next, I made some small but impactful changes to my pizza. I started choosing thin crust instead of thick crust. Thin crust has fewer calories and carbs. I also opted for healthier toppings like chicken, vegetables, and light cheese. These little tweaks made a huge difference. Another important change was planning my meals around my pizza nights. If I knew I was having pizza for dinner, I kept my other meals for the day light and nutritious. For breakfast, I would have something like oatmeal with fruits. For lunch, a simple salad with grilled chicken. This way, I stayed within my calorie goals. Speaking of calories, tracking them was a game changer. I used a simple app to log my meals and snacks. This helped me stay mindful of what I was eating and how much. It also made me realize that I could enjoy pizza as long as I balanced it with healthier choices throughout the day. Exercise was another key factor in my success. I committed to at least 30 minutes of activity every day. Some days it was a brisk walk. Other days it was a quick high-intensity interval training HIIT workout or some strength training. Regular exercise not only helped me burn calories but also boosted my energy and mood. One of the biggest lessons I learned was to be patient and consistent. Weight loss is not about perfection. It is about progress. There were days when I indulged a little too much, but I did not let that derail me. I just got back on track the next day. Remember, the goal is to create a lifestyle you can stick to. If you completely cut out the foods you love, you might feel deprived and give up altogether. But if you find a way to include them in moderation, you can stay on track and enjoy the process. So, if you are someone who loves pizza and wants to lose weight, do not worry. It is possible. Focus on portion control, make healthier choices, and balance it with nutritious meals and regular exercise. Most importantly, be consistent and stay positive. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We have plenty more tips and tricks to help you on your health and fitness journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.